Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing some short nails for the short nail girls. I see you and I feel you. I like to switch it up sometimes. That's why we're going to do this short look today. Also, I created a nail Instagram finally, so please go ahead and follow it. And let's go ahead and get started. I got started by priming my nails with the Young Nails Protein Bond, of course, and then for base coat, you could use either a peel-off base coat if you're like me and want to change your nails often, or you could use a regular base coat gel. But for me, I'm going to use the peel-off so that I can keep doing other designs quickly and just peel them right off when I'm done. I landed my first deal. In other exciting news, I'm an ambassador for Bobby Pop. They have really cute nail charms and also some rings and jewelry he's dropping. There's some rhinestones for your nails, some bling, and he's just started and he already dropped this many products, so they will be releasing more and more as time goes on. He's such a nice guy. If you use my code DIA10 for 10% off, I will get a small commission, just to put that out there. No pressure. Today we are playing with the Enailcouture 123 Go Sport Length. These are basically short square, but these are not the sculptured ones. I'm interested to try those. But today we're just going to be playing with the sport length. I wanted to show you guys these really cute glitters that I got from glitterlife.com. These were not sent to me. I paid for them. But I just thought they were so cute and I want to figure out ways to use them. Comment down below if you have some ideas for how you want me to use them or which one is your favorite. Today we are using my new fave DIY gel. You guys know I've been really loving this stuff lately because I just think it's so much easier and more comfortable to do your own nails using this method if you have DIY gel rather than any other type of gel, because it gets slippery and it can just stick everywhere and it's really frustrating with the air bubbles. So this is definitely going to be your best friend if you are a beginner. And I will be using my tried and true hands-free UV lamp that I got off of Amazon for like $20. It will be linked down in the description bar below. This is a dupe for the XVX lamp, which is like $75. I don't know how I found this on Amazon. It's based, I don't even think it's for nails. It's used to like see dog pee or something like that, but it works for nails too. So I like it, it works. I'm going to be taking this pack of Mylar things that I got off of AliExpress and my Kiara Sky Glitter in the shade Sno-Cone. I'm going to be mixing those two together to create kind of an iridescent look inside of the nail. And obviously I'm going to encapsulate underneath because that's the best way to encapsulate these nails. You don't get as much lump and bump at the top and it just looks so perfect. So I'm using the base coat gel to encapsulate it. I'm placing the glitter and Mylar inside the inside the base gel, and then I'm going to cure it and then place another layer of the base gel and cure it, and it's going to turn out so flat. On the right hand, I actually didn't do it underneath. I actually encapsulated on top, and it was such a clear difference. You could tell that it was way chunkier. I mean, it didn't look bad, but You can tell that it's just way better when you do it underneath. It looks seamless. Once you finish placing all the nails on, don't forget to cure your entire hand for 60 seconds because that flash cure is not going to hold it in place. It's not strong enough. You have to cure the whole hand. And look at how they look. Do you guys like this length or what? So next I'm going to take my 100 grit file. This is a twiggy file. It's very, very thin. And basically I'm just being extra and trying to sharpen up the edges. Here's what it looks like before and after with it filed versus unfiled. Let me know if you see a difference. And now I'm just going to go in with this cuticle bit that I got from the Russian Manicure bit set from Enailcouture, and I'm just going to go around and drill off the excess gel. As you can see, some of it's coming up. That was excess DIY gel spilled out into my cuticle because I can be a little messy sometimes. And also this helps with blending it together and making sure that it's flush with the cuticle so that it doesn't look too harsh like press-ons, but you know, that's not a bad look. It's totally up to you and your preference for how you want your nails to look. Some people may think that it doesn't even make that much of a difference, so totally up to you. Now, this is me being really extra by going in with this 180 grit file and really further sharpening those nails. And I like to taper them a little bit because these aren't the tapered ones. So, you know, they have more of a natural shape to them. So I'm just flattening down the top because I like that really flat, sharp look with my square, really boxy. So that's what this file is good for. I'm going to take this Makartt gel polish in the shade Key Lime. This is from their, that one collection they dropped. I'll drop it down below. But this set of polishes came with the most pigment. I love it. I mean, look at that. That's like one coat. I'm not even done yet, and it's already fully covered. You really could get away with just one coat. You do not need two. However, of course, I'm extra, so I'm just, you know, doing what I'm supposed to do. I'm still doing two, but look how good it looks with just one. It's not sheer, and they're so cheap. Like, the whole pack was like, what, $15? Versus, you know, with my Kiara Skywinds, I paid $15 for like one polish, and you need 3 coats, so. I'm going to top coat with this Wonder Gel. I don't think it's currently on the website, but Shine E works just as well. I'm just going to play with some charms that I got from Daily Charm. These are real Swarovski crystals. They're so beautiful. And I'm going to use the DIY gel to stick them down a little bit. I'm only using small charms, so no big deal. But this works great on big charms as well, is what I found. So I'm just going to use something simple. I'm going to do like one rhinestone on each finger, and then around the pinky I'm going to line the cuticle area with rhinestones. This is the final look, guys. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. Are you feeling the short nails? I like to switch it up sometimes. If you do too, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!